All right, guys, we got an awesome product here from ARTISTRO. This is the community. They give you 12 acrylic dual tip paint pens, brush, and fine tip. So just want to make sure I got that right. We're going to open it up. My daughter absolutely loves to use paint pens. It's one of her favorite things to do because they offer some vibrant colors. And we're going to give them a shot. We got a little notepad out here, and we're going to check them out. So from a color perspective, you got all kinds of options of the colors, right? Which I love that. And one more bright one here, which is going to pop up. And how about you color me a face while I talk about one. Pick out a couple colors so they can see it. We got an awesome lavender option, and that's a 1 millimeter on one side, and then which is the fine tip. Yep, it's one color, and then you have a 0.1 to 5 millimeter brush tip on the other side. So you can see that. There's your fine tip right there. And then on the other side of it, you're going to be noticing you have a brush tip, and check that out. Can you give us a quick drawing, babe?
Yeah.
So dual tip, water-based ink is what you're dealing with here. So it is some awesome stuff. Let's go ahead and see if there's any other cool stuff about this with regards to it. So 12 colors overall. There you have it. All right, you got me something good?
Not yet.
So we got, pretty cool, showing us the brush tip side. And how about you give us the other side, which is the fine tip? Pretty cool. So you can definitely see right there. Yep, you can definitely see the brush gives a thicker look, and the fine is definitely smaller. Let me show you guys what the brush looks like. So you can do some pretty cool stuff. If you like to draw out, you can do some pretty cool stuff here. Check out this pen. You can do some stuff to make it happen. Hold on, let me get right in here. And you look at this big right there. And that is a really pretty paint color. I'm not going to lie. Definitely loving it. You're able to go ahead and swipe from the side and look at that color. And you can see some of the differences getting deep with it. What do you think, Sky? You liking it?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, right? Guys, tons of colors. Pretty cool. Thanks, ARTISTRO, for sending it. What do we say?
Check it out.
Check it out.